Hi guys, this is Jamil and you are watching CAD. In this video tutorial we will learn how you can use artificial intelligence AI tools to enhance your CV and apply for jobs, and learn how you can enhance your career and do your career analysis. First of all, in my this workflow you can see that I have not signed in any of the AI AI programs, AI tools. Like this is Gemini, this is let's just say ChatGPT, and here I'm using Perplexity. So first of all, we will need to know that if a guy who has a very minimum expertise in software, how he can use this to go for job applications and write a CV that matches or fits with the company job postings. So first of all, what we are going to do is we'll learn some of the jobs that has the expertise and minimum experience that he has. Let's copy and paste in Perplexity and see what it gives us. Okay, after that what we will do is we will rewrite our CV. This is a dummy CV that I have for this guy. It's only content written, and this content will be used to enhance our CV. Let's see what it has given us. It has given us some of the jobs that has been posted. You can view from the links. Where is this job posted? So what we are going to do is we need this description of the jobs. Actually, what we are going to do is we will copy this whole message. We'll go to Gemini and we will enter this prompt according to below jobs. Write my CV to match the job description. I'll copy this and I'll paste in Gemini. I'll copy this again so I can paste in ChatGPT as well. The next thing it is asking me is to give me some of the information that I already have. I'll copy this and I'll say that below is my CV. Rewrite to match the jobs. Paste it here, copy here, and I'll do the same for Gemini as well, so that it can give me rewritten content that matches the jobs. Why we are doing this is normally when the companies are posting the jobs, most of the big companies, they are using ATS system or ATS for readers that analyzes your CVs. So they don't have much time to go and analyze each and every CV. What they do is what the ATS systems look for is the job postings keywords that they have in their job postings, that they should be somehow matching in your CV, so that this gives you the maximum chance that the job posting and the CV has matching keywords. So this makes the maximum chances for your CV getting selected for the review. The next thing we're going to do is we'll ask the Gemini and ChatGPT that give me some of the skills and the and expertise that I have to explore so that in next 5 or 10 years I'll be in good shape. I have good expertise to match the industry. So let's copy this, and by the way, this is what it has given us, the CV content. We can copy it and we can regenerate it in a Word document. Here I'm saying that I'm a CAD technician, give me a list of skills and software expertise that will be in demand in next 2 to 10 years, that I can learn to get future ready. Right now below are the softwares that I have learned and have experience in them. So let's see what it gives us. So what it is saying, that if you are going to building information modeling BIM, the first thing you need to learn is Revit, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, Civil 3D. There are some other softwares as well, Python as well, Dynamo for Revit, Dynamo for Civil 3D is also there. Here for CAD, cloud-based collaboration and project management tools like BIM 360, Microsoft Teams, data analysis like artificial intelligence for design, and AutoCAD Tekla. So for if we are going if you have expertise in CAD, so the future is BIM is already in. So let's ask it that if I want to pursue my career in BIM, what should I learn now? Let's see what it says. The BIM software are Autodesk Revit and Navisworks, BIM 360, ArchiCAD, Tekla Structure, BIM workflow and life cycles. You need to understand these are the methodologies, nothing to do with the softwares. Coordination and collaboration, BIM for facility management, BIM execution plan, complementary skills and knowledge of project management, and others. You can go ahead and explore these things with your own ChatGPT. These are totally free, and it will give you it is like you are consulting with a very well equipped guy who has, like, you can tell it that behave like uh, let's say 20 years of experience guy, and guide me which industry has good scope and salaries in BIM. So what it's saying is that construction and infrastructure, architecture, MEP engineering, and there will be much more. So these are the tools that you can leverage. You can use these tools to broaden your mind, to expect what, if you don't know what you should learn, where you should go next, what you should learn next, and how it all works. You can just simply ask it. Asking is easy, it is simple. You just need to ask and you'll get straightforward answers. You need to explore more. You need to ask where I can learn, how I can learn. There are software there, even ChatGPT. If you ask it that if you can teach me this specific software, how should I learn, it can teach you even. So this was it for now. Thanks for attending.